Visitor pattern is a type of behavioral design pattern. This is mainly used when we need to perform an operation on a group of similar kind of objects. With the help of visitor pattern, we can move the operational logic from the object to a group of objects. As for example, instead of providing offer to particular fruit or vegetables, we can club them together and offer 10% for electronics and 2% discount on groceries, and then combine together and populate the total balance. Let's jump into code and check how to implement it in Java. Here we will create shopping cart visitor interface and have two types of visit input, or we can say two groups of element, computer and another visit method with input printer. Next, we will have item interface and have an abstract method accept, which takes an object of type shopping cart visitor. It's confusing, but everything will get clarified at the end. Stay tuned. Now let's have our computer, which is of type item. We will have member variables like cost, serial number, and other setter and getter methods. And in the constructor of computer, we will overload it and assign to this.cost and this.serial number. And have our getter function to fetch the price and another getter method to get serial number details. And in overridden accept method, we will return visitor.visit with current object, and the return type will be integer. Similarly, we will have printer class which implements item interface. And in constructor, we will accept price of cartridge, number of cartridges, and model number of the cartridge, and assign it to the member variables. And have each getter function get price of cartridge and return price of cartridge, get number of cartridges and return the number of cartridges, get model number and return this dot model number. And in accept method, we will return integer, that is visitor.visit. Now we will have the shopping cart visitor implementation, which will group each item types. And in visit printer method, we will print out the printer details and return the printer cost. But in visit computer method, we will apply $50 discount if the computer price is greater than 15,000. Else we will calculate the actual cost. Now let's have our client class, or we can say customer class. We will have an array of items. Computer of cost $20,000 and serial number 1234. Another computer of cost $14,500. And printer with price $1,000 and 6 cartridges of type HP. And let's have another Xerox printer of price $975. Let's calculate the total price. So we will loop the item array. And each item.accept will provide the required cost after any discount. So using this visitor pattern, it's easy to add any new items or change existing item behavior without changing the actual class object, just by twisting the visitor implementation class. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe for upcoming video tutorials. See you again in next tutorial.